Children, I am sure you must have gone through those two questions which we dealt yesterday, where we had to find the equation of a circle. Well, that is when the points are given. Now there is small variety which I have brought in. Again, it is a 7 marks essay type question. The question is right in front of you. Find the equation of circle which passes through 2, minus 3, minus 4, 5 and having center on the line 4x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. How do you do this problem? Let us assume equation of circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. That is equation I. I passes through 2, minus 3. Take this point, substitute 4, 9 plus 2 2s are 4g. 2 into y is what? Minus 3. So it is 2 into minus 3 is minus 6f plus c is equal to 0. 4g minus 6f plus c is equal to minus 13. Equation 1. Next, I passes through what? Minus 4, 5. So take this and substitute. Minus 4 square, 16. 5 square, 25. 2 into g into x is what? Minus. So it will become minus 8g. What is y value? 5. So it is 5 means 5 2s are 10f. Plus c is equal to 0. So it is minus 8g plus 10f plus c. 25 plus 16 is 41. Goes on the right hand side, becomes minus 41. I call this as equation 2. Again I will say I passes through what point, my child? No, he has not mentioned the point. He has told I, the center of the circle, right? 2 points are given to you. Now given that center of required circle lies on what line is given to you? 4x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. So what is the required circle? This is the required circle. For this required circle, what is the center? Minus g, minus f. So therefore substitute minus g, minus f in 4x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. So you will have minus 4g minus 3f plus 1 is equal to 0. So it is minus 4g minus 3f is equal to minus 1. Multiply by minus sign, you get 4g plus 3f is equal to 1. So you got another equation called as equation 3. There are 3 equations and 3 variables to be solved. What I am going to do is I will solve 1 and 2. Already you have an equation without c. So solve 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2. It is a 4g minus 6f plus c is equal to minus 13 followed by minus 8g plus 10f plus c is equal to minus 41. Right, now I have to eliminate c, so I will subtract. Whenever you have same sign, subtract, opposite signs add. 4g minus into minus plus, so 4g plus 8g will be 12g. Minus 6f minus into plus is minus, so it will become minus 16f. C and C cancel. Minus 13 minus into minus plus, so it will be 41 minus 13. 41 minus 13 and this is equal to 8 to 28. It is plus 28. If anything is common, try to take common. I will try to divide the entire equation by 4. So when I divide the entire equation by 4, it is 4 3s 4 4s is equal to 4 7s. Now I will call this as equation number 4. So I got 2 equations 3 and 4 which are having g and f. So I will try to solve 3 and 4. When you solve 3 and 4, what do you have? You have 4g plus 3f is equal to 1. 3g minus 4f is equal to 7. What do I do? Either I should balance f or I should balance g. I wish to balance g. So multiply this equation with 3 because 3 4s are 12. So ultimately you multiply this equation with 4 because 4 3s are 12. So what you are going to get? You are going to get 4 3s are 12g plus 3 3s are 9f is equal to 3 followed by 4 3s are 12g minus 16f is equal to 4 7s are 28. Subtract, cancel. 9 plus 16 is 25f. 3 minus 28 is minus 25. F is equal to minus 1. Substitute f is equal to minus 1 in equation 3. This is equation 3. So you have 4g plus 3 into minus 1 is equal to 1. 4g minus 3 is equal to 1. 4g is equal to 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. G is equal to 1. You got G value, you got F value, you need C value. So you substitute G and F in an equation containing C. So I will say substitute G and F, or you should say G is equal to 1 and F is equal to minus 1 in equation 1 or equation 2. What is your equation 1? 4G, 4 into 1, alright, minus 6 into F, 6 into minus 1 plus C is equal to minus 13. So it is 4 minus minus plus, 4 plus 6 is 10 plus C is equal to minus 13. C is equal to minus 13 minus 10. So C is equal to how much? Minus 23. You got the value of C. So once you get the value of G, F and C, what will I say? Substitute G, F and C in equation I. We have equation of circle as x square plus y square plus 2gx. 2 into what is G value you have? G value is 1. So 2 1s are 2. 2x plus 2 F value. F value is minus 1. So it is minus 2y. Plus C. What is C value? C value is minus 23. So this is the required equation of circle. So more or less you can see this is nothing but your algebra of solving. You solve the simultaneous equation. And what is the part related to circle? Only this assumption of the equation of circle is the part related to circle. So I want you to pause the video and copy this stuff. I think it is, the view is very clear. You can pause the video and copy the stuff. Meanwhile, we'll go for the next question. Yes, I'm sure you have copied the previous problem. Now find the equation of circle whose center lies on x-axis and passing through same 2 points. Similar question, the twist is center lies on not some other line but x-axis. So let the equation of required circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Call this as equation I. Now I will say I passes, no, here before moving forward we have to be wise enough and we must take the circle equation in a different way. How will I take in a different way? Try to see. He has told me the center lies on x-axis. Listen to me carefully. If I say center lies on x-axis, what is the center of the circle? Minus g comma minus x. And you know that any point, let us say this point is there, this point is 1 comma 0, this point is 2 comma 0, this point is 3 comma 0. Like that, any point if you take, that point is something comma 0, right? Means always the y coordinate is 0. So if I say center is on x-axis, this y coordinate becomes 0. So I will write, I won't call this as I will move further. Since center lies on x-axis, minus f will be 0 or simply f is equal to 0. So I will put f is equal to 0 in the equation. So therefore equation of circle will be, I am making things more simple, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus f is 0. So there won't be any term plus c is equal to 0. So now this is my circle and I have only 2 variables g and sc to be found out. For 2 variables I require 2 conditions. 2 conditions are the 2 points which are passing through the circle. Now I will say I passes through. Children, do it in this way, it becomes very simple. I passes through what point? Minus 2 comma 3. So take this point and dump it over here. Minus 2 whole square is 4, 3 square is 9. 2 into g into x was minus 2. So minus 4g plus c is equal to 0. Minus 4g plus c is equal to minus 13. I will call this as equation number 1. Then I will say I passes through, what is the next point? 4 comma 5. When I passes through 4 comma 5, take and substitute 4 square 16, 5 square 25 plus 2 into g into x. X is what? 4. So 4 2s are 8g plus c is equal to 0. So again you have 8g plus c is equal to minus 41. I will call this as equation number 2. Now I will say simply solve 1 and 2. Is it not? So minus 4g plus c is equal to minus 13 followed by 8g plus c is equal to minus 41. Now when I subtract, because I want to cancel c, subtract. Minus 4g will be minus 12g. Minus 4g minus 8g will be minus 12g. C and c cancel. And you have minus into minus plus. So it is 41 minus 13. And this will be equal to 8, 28. And this is plus 28. So what is g is equal to? G is equal to 28 divided by 12. Any cancellations? 4 7s are, 4 3s are. So g is equal to 7 upon 3. Right? And that too with a minus sign. Minus 7 by 3. Now take this g value, substitute in any of the equation. Substitute g is equal to minus 7 by 3 in equation 1. So minus 4 into g. G is what? Minus 7 by 3 plus c is equal to what? Minus 13. Minus plus 7 4s are 28 by 3 plus c is equal to minus 13. C is equal to minus 13 minus 28 by 3. So what is c is equal to? When I take the LCM, 13 3s are 39 minus 28 by 3. C is equal to 9 plus 7. 8 is 7. So it is minus 67 by 3. You know c value, you know g value, and you already have f value here, right? So substituting g and c in I, we have x square plus y square plus 2gx. What is g value? Minus 7 by 3 into x plus f is not there. C, what is c value? Minus 67 by 3 is equal to 0. You can leave it there or you can take the LCM. When you take LCM, it is 3x square plus 3y square minus 14x minus 67, and this 3 will go to the right hand side, become 0, is the required equation of circle. So dear children, I have done the problem based on the simple concept that the standard form of circle, right? You have gone through the part 1 concepts, alright. Now tomorrow we are going to do some small variety of questions involving lots and lots of formulas. So I want you to be perfect, go through the concept again so that we'll do many questions in the next class. Thank you, bye bye, and take care. Keep practicing a lot.